unlocking the mystery of Panther's instincts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language, Panther's instincts. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. At first glance, Panther's instincts might seem like a straightforward phrase, but it's packed with meaning. A panther is a powerful, stealthy, and highly adaptable predator known for its sharp instincts. When we talk about someone having a panther's instincts, we're saying they have an innate ability to sense things, make quick decisions, and adapt to their environment with remarkable skill and grace. This expression is often used to compliment someone's ability to navigate complex situations effortlessly. Instincts are natural, unlearned behaviors that are often seen as a form of innate wisdom. In the context of Panther's instincts, these instincts refer to intuition, perception, and the ability to act decisively. It's about having a keen sense of awareness, being able to anticipate outcomes, and making the right moves at the right time, much like a panther in the wild. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from business to personal growth. For example, you might say, "She navigated that negotiation with the panther's instincts," to praise someone's strategic approach to a challenging situation. Or, "He has a panther's instincts when it comes to sensing opportunities," to admire someone's ability to seize opportunities that others might overlook. Panther's instincts can also be found in literature, movies, and sports commentary, where individuals are often lauded for their sharp instincts and strategic thinking. These references help illustrate the phrase in action and show how it can be applied to various fields and situations. Understanding the phrase, Panther's instincts, opens up a new way of appreciating and articulating the complex blend of intuition, intelligence, and adaptability in ourselves and others. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll feel confident using this expression in your own conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.